You are watching Shayna-Renee.
Release the chains and the shackles from the jog of hands. I knew most people would go for that tomboyish vibe because it's easy to do as dancers. We went from going to church to going out to the club. Ooh, the holy club, the holy club, the holy club. And I'm back. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another episode of Just Add Style. I just did a flash mob for Ciara in Times Square in the cold, so I am showing you how I made this outfit into something cute and worthy of being in the cold, as well as sticking to the mood board that we were provided because we had to, once again, provide our own outfit. So let's get into this video. I'm going to break down what I did to come up to this outfit because separately, this outfit does not look good together and I had to makeshift a lot of things. So I booked a job with Ciara dancing for a flash mob type of video in Times Square. And the stylist gave us a mood board showing us the type of aesthetic that they wanted us to have. And we, of course, had to style ourselves. I wanted to do something more of a dress or a skirt type of vibe because I knew most people would go for that tomboyish vibe because it's easy to do as dancers. So I wanted to do something different, challenge myself, and, you know, break out. Release the chains and the shackles from the jog of hands. No, I'm joking. When styling this, I was dancing outside in 40-degree weather, and it was my choice of what I wanted to wear. So I had no jacket on. So I tried to find the way I could layer up without making the outfit look too tacky and with still being able to dance and let the outfit be functional without looking crazy. Right here is like a little fur piece that I kind of makeshift and put together. It's like a fur overcoat and I pinned it together. This is how I pinned it up. I had to tie this to it because if I just put this jacket on like this, when I dance, it's gonna fall off like this. So I knew that I had to find a way to make sure this stayed on. And being that I knew my hair was down and in the way, anything that I had behind me, you would not really be able to see with my hair in the way. I put the string in between the arm sleeves. I pushed it up to the top. I tied it, of course, as you can see. And there we go. Being that I tied it up like this and tight, now it will not fall off as I'm dancing. Now with the strings, you can either tuck it in, tie it behind, and just so that my jacket was reinforced, I ended up tying it like this. Well, I tied it behind and then I tied it like this where this was less, you couldn't see, but I'm not doing it right now. Yes. And then I put this little neck piece over it so you couldn't see it. Now the jacket could look like it's staying up and it looks functional and it looks cute. And I pinned it right here on the side. I forgot. I pinned it on the side so it could look smaller as well. So there was 4 pins in total. This is how this originally looked. Like a little shawl situation. And this doesn't look cute with the outfit like this and not for dancing at all. Even though it has like something where I could put my arms through, it didn't work. So what I did was I took this, I had to fold this in to make it shorter, and then I pinned it underneath like this so it could have a little armhole right here. We went from going to church to going out to the club. Ooh, the holy club, the holy club, the holy club. The only reason why I wore this top is because I knew it was gonna be cold outside, and I'm like, okay, try to put something on your arms that doesn't look too crazy to layer. So being that I had brown stockings on, I knew I was doing brown stockings because I wanted to be like flesh tone-ish. I found this brown top, and this top, the reason why this top is kind of like droopy like this is because I tied it in the back for the occasion. Let me show you. I literally just used a scrunchie. This is a full top, and I'm gonna show you how the top looks when I put it on. Even though I need to be warm, this looks absolutely insane. So I had to find a way to see if I can just use the sleeves without using the top. And the way I did it worked. I didn't really have much options that was long sleeve that could look cute with the look of this dress and then possibly putting a fur over it because I knew I wanted to use my fur. So I was able to make this work. And I'm happy I was able to make this work. This look doesn't really give full like street style chic-ish of what they were going for. So that's why I had to add more stuff to it because this wasn't it. This I originally did not want to wear as a dress. I decided at the last minute I was gonna wear some lace shorts I put on the screen and I was going to tie the top up like this. I'll show you. I was gonna have the top drooping like this with like a fur on top of it so you wasn't gonna see what it was giving. I know it looks crazy. It's hard to show you, but it was gonna like be, I was gonna make it like a cow neck top with my lace shorts that go up to here with the same look at the bottom. Like I was originally going for this cute little funky girl and then it just wasn't sitting right with me. So I was like, let me try it as a dress. I decided to do blue shorts instead of a brown lace underneath is because I was doing stuff where I had to like drop low like this. And I feel like it would be a little bit more distracting if I had another color bottom where it's like, okay, that's her underwear, that's her underwear, that's her underwear, that's her underwear. Is that a diaper? No, that's her underwear. No, I didn't want that to happen. So what I did was I decided to, I'm so glad I had these, a blue pair of shorts. That way, even if I'm like getting low like this, you wouldn't feel super distracted because it's like, you know, the same color and it'll kind of look more cohesive. So that's why I chose to wear these shorts instead of another color shorts. And think about that sometimes, because yes, it's like, oh, it's just black shorts underneath or white shorts underneath. Yes, but depending on what you're doing, it might look ugly or be distracting. So anyway, nonetheless, it's cute. I decided to put on a bra with this because you couldn't see the bra straps. And then also I knew it was gonna be freezing cold. And I knew right here, it was gonna be really cold and probably stinging. So I definitely just put on a bra. I have brown fishnets and brown tights on underneath because I wanted to do, I wanted to look very, what's it called? I wanted to look like more of my skin tone. And I love the contrast of brown and blue together. So I just wanted to switch it up and do something different. Now, the boots, I knew I was gonna wear boots because I wanted to wear heels. And it was either these brown boots or black boots. And I wanted to just change up the color. And like I said, I love blue and brown together. So that's kind of why I wore these. And being that it was cold outside, I have like leg warmers underneath. Do like a peekaboo showing through like this. Of course, a little cuter. But I was thinking about this, but I'm like, I think it looks better like just tucked in. I went with the tucked in look and I was able to go from this basic outfit to a cuter outfit that was functional and appropriate for the weather that I was in at the same time. So let me know what you guys think of this video. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. This, like I said, it was an impromptu video. I didn't plan to make a video doing this. I should have, but I didn't. And well, now here you go. Anyway, let me know just let me know whatever you think. And I will catch you on the next episode, right? Yes, I'll catch you on the next episode. Bye.